again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up in comment below section. For my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for all your support. I really appreciate for always there with me. And today's video, guys, I have a comparison video of these two Bastia coin purse from Hermes. These two over here, and it comes with this small box. Look how pretty the box is of Hermes. I really love. I think the cheapest one from them is this chain purse, and I really love collecting this at the moment, but I'm trying myself not to buy a lot of small leather goods, because it's better to get something like a bigger size clutch or handbags for the prices or for the collecting of a small leather goods. But you know, you cannot resist of this cute little tiny purses in here, especially if you have all those different kind of colors of from Bastia. I prefer Bastia than a Calvi card holder. It's because of the price as well. You can tell the price is that this one is cheaper than the Calvi card holder, which is also a want Calvi, but I don't know, it's not in my radar at the moment. I've been loving all the Bastia coin purse, so I'm doing this comparison because the both is different leather. This one is the color of this blue Esmer blue Brighton, and this is a Epsom leather with a snap closure. And I do love a two-tone of this Bastia. This one is the outside is the blue Esmer, and the interior is a blue Brighton. That's why I've been loving all those two-tone sales. This one is called Bastia Chains Purse Rose Texas, and the interior is key bracho. I love the key bracho, but I'm not sure about the color of this Rose Texas. Even though if you've seen my unboxing video of this, I will leave the description below or up here, and I mentioned that I don't really care much the color. I don't know, I like it, maybe because I don't know. Well, we'll see, guys. I was thinking to exchange this. I just have this one for 2 days, and you know what, before I return this, I'm gonna make a comparison video of this two, because this one, the Rose Texas, is a the leather is Mysore goatskin leather, and this one is the Epsom leather. I don't know if you can tell the difference of this. They are both like a rough feeling, but the goatskin one, it's so thin, guys. Look at that, it's so thin. If you can see, let me see, I'm trying to make sure that, see that the goatskin, it's so thicker than the Epsom leather. I was thinking getting the Epsom leather and exchange the other one besides this goatskin. It's so thin, and I read that it's gonna be, the longer you use, it's gonna be soft, which is I don't think I would like that. It's, look at the difference, and also the difference with this two. So you see this opening in here. This one over here, it's not much open, but look at this one over here, it's so wide. Look at that, guys, it's so wide. Let me open it for you. I don't know if you can tell the difference if I open it, but it's not. But look at that. I'll show you the other one. See the difference of this two. If I do that one, you can tell the difference that this one, it has more cut open, which is this one, the Epsom, it doesn't. See side by side for that. I will do like this too. And they can't tell the difference unless if I do this. So yeah, I'm noticing that when I'm looking and comparing these two, I said like, wow, they are really different. So even when I'm opening, is this one, it's more wider than the Epsom. Let me make sure, guys, that they are even. I guess you can tell the difference for that. Oh, hold on, guys. So see, we're talking about this part, it's cut smaller. This one, it's more wider or longer. This one, it's not. I'll be right back, guys. I will get a measurement. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. So I got my measurement in here. I will do this one over here, the centimeter, because I want to make sure that how much really the difference to this. I want to make it sure, guys, that it will. So it just, the opening is one centimeter. I tried from there to there. So I just tried that. It's 1 cm for this Epsom leather. Yeah, just look at that. It's 1 centimeter. And let's compare to this other one. Yeah, there's a lot of difference with this one. I want to make sure that I put right properly for that one. This one over here is past 3 line from one that I put the same as Epsom leather. So it means that this one, it's more wider a little bit, the opening snap closure, than a Epsom one. So those are the difference I can tell. But the sizing wise is same as the height. Same height. Hold on, guys. I think is the goat skin, it's more little bit taller than, I'll make sure, guys, hold on, that I was not, yeah, it is a little bit taller than, see, it's a little bit taller than a Epsom. So those three different, I noticing that is that this one over here, and the sizing and the thickness of a leather. Now you can see that the thickness is the goat skin, it's more thinner than a Epsom leather. So yeah, there you go, guys. So I hope this is helpful for you when you are planning getting a what kind of leather of Bastia that you want to get. And this one, I think it's Epsom leather is the best leather from Hermes. And like I said, I want to exchange this one into another color also, and I want to get the ever color calf skin. They have another leather as well called ever color calf skin. I want to try that one. And so yeah, see, guys, it looks too what it looks like closed up. They are both snap closure and made in France. So that's really nice. Actually, and it's just very very thin feeling to me compared to this Epsom leather one. That's why I'm planning to exchange this and I'll return and get another one. I prefer Epsom. Like I mentioned, I will definitely try the Evercolor goatskin. Yeah, even though I don't mind the color. It's just like I said, I'm looking for a bright color. That's why I picked this one. So yeah, there you go guys. That's it for my comparison video of these two Bastia coin purse. I hope this is helpful for you and useful for if you're planning to your future Bastia coin purse. If you are collecting in this one, which one do you have and which one do you prefer, a leather? So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you on my next one. Bye.